Are you serious? Are you effing serious? Size 9 right here. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Another Nike outlet out in Watt. Let's go. All right, last week everybody else had 20% off. This place had 30% off the back wall. I still see 30 here, so let's go see if we find some deals. Let's go. Got that 30% off, which is freaking fire. All right, let's go see what they got, man. This is what I'm talking about, you guys. Air Max 97s, all white. Pretty clean, gently worn. Go for $88. You get another 30 off, so it's gonna be a few dollars over 50. That's what's up. Size 8. 8.5 Luca 1s, going for $55. That is gently worn. Got some baseball cleats right here, some Huaraches, Alpha Huaraches, $63. 97s right here, some army green with black and white, $175. Are you serious? Are you effing serious? Size 9 right here, $180, another 30 off. Are you serious? Oh my god. All right, so with the 30% off, that'd be $126. $126 for these mother lovers right here. Holy cow. Why don't they have a size 10, man? Why don't they have a size 10, 10.5? You know what I'm saying? I'll even take an 11 on these. What the hell, dude? What the hell, man? 9.5. Got some dunks right there, $1.25. The Stadium 90 Jordans right here. Dude, got these bad boys. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Did I say 140? Yeah, they're 140. Another one of those. I got two of these. I got the SFB 8-inch boots right there. Going for $73. Slightly imperfect though. Airspan 2s. Oh, my bad. Got some structures. Going for $100. Air Forces right here. Going for $95. Size 9. Dunks. Dunks being squeezed into that box. $140. I think these are size 10 right here. Pretty clean. They're all white. Oh, 10.5 for $130 full price. Then do got more 7s right here. $200 for these bad boys. To get that extra 30% off, so $60 off. Dude, another one right here. Another one, size 10. And then the Jordans right here. Jordan 5s right here. These are a premium with that super nice, is it nubuck? Nubuck up top. But yeah, I just don't dig the color on these. We have $225. These are size 9.5. But yeah, did get that 20% off, so that's more than $60 off. Air Max 1 premiums right here, $170 for those. 11 low comforts, $100. ACGs right here. I know people who love ACG love ACGs. These are kind of plain, but I know some people love these. Yeah, $69 for these bad boys. These are refurbished. Did I say refurbished? These are like new. Ton of the center cores right here. Go for $100. This colorway as well. Go for $90. Luca 1s in the mostly black. Jordan 1 mids right here. Go for $150. I think I'm in the 10.5s. Pegasus Turbo. Next Nature's going for too much at $90 like new. Pegasus Truffle Gore-Tex going for $130. Max Scorpions right here going for $125 gently worn. I'm curious about these. Alright, these feel very similar to the Vapor Max. It is a Vapor Max on steroids though, so do feel a little bit more cushion, but that's wild. I'm not gonna lie, that is wild. But yeah, this is $125. Do get an extra 20, so under $100. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen those. That is fire. Sizing wise, I normally wear 10, 10.5. I'm like kind of in between a 10, 10.5. I can wear a 10 of these, so I guess they're slightly big, I guess. Racer Finance going for $80. Cheaper than these bad boys are cheaper than the Ross and Burlington, because yeah, they've been going for what, $70 there. You're getting 80%. You're getting them for $80. You get another 30% off. In the size 11s, this is 11.5 right here. Jordan 37. Which ones? The black ones. We've seen those a million times. There's $150 to get another 30 off. Regular Max Scorpio right here. Go for $180. It's the exact same one. That is funny. Different size though. Obviously, this is no return. Maybe it is. I don't know. LeBron 19 lows down to $80. That's a hell of a deal. Jordan 37s go from 93 gently worn, size 12. Oh, of course, slides. These are the Orioles right here. You know what these go for? $18. Another 30 off on top. So wow, that's hella cheap. Pegasus 38, like new, going for $78. Size 13, size 12 right here. Air Force Ones. Look at that. Mids going for $70. Size 14. These are Air Max 90. These are golf though. Buck 30. KD Tray 5 size 14. These are KD Tray 5 10 going for $48. Get an extra 30% off that. These 39 going for 70 right here. 37s right here going for cheap. These are buck 85. Do got some 37 size. These are 12 and a half though. Go for buck 85. We're gonna check out the house, but we're gonna do it real quick because I doubt there's too many new things from last week. Hopefully you guys did see my video last week. Jaw ones right there. Cosmic Unity Team Bank color right here. Zoom Freak 4s. Still got the Jordan Hydro 3 white cement colorway. 6s right here. Jordan 37s. Pegasus 38s. I feel like the Pegasus are starting to go down in price. Certain colorways down to $60. And they got Pegasus Trails. These are the 3rd gen. The other one had Gore-Tex. This one does not. Got a 3rd colorway right here. Do got Infinity Run Flyknits. These are pretty freaking comfortable. Got me one of these in a Lakers colorway. Then free Metcon 4s. Got another one of those. Metcon 8s. I've been lifting, so I think I need one of these soon. I've just been doing it barefoot because I do it at home. 36 lows. Arachis right here. Laser lows. Sakai's. Waffle Sakai's. Laser mid. Do still got the Billie Eilish right here up to size 11. And then these right here. Those are the only 2 Air Forces that really stick out. And then they got the Flights. Got a couple Forces and more Forces here, Air Maxes. All right, let's go check out the women's section real quick. Check in the women's section, size 11 women's. These are freaking fire, all white. Air Max 97s. Got a little bit of dirt on the side right there. But yeah, dude, $100. You do get that extra 30% off, so $70, not bad. Nike Go Fly E, $63. My kid's so lazy, he hates wearing laces. He probably would love these. This is his size 2. But actually, I've been buying a size 9. Oh, this is a size 9. Yeah, that is a size 9. $63. An extra 30% off of that. So that's probably close to $40. Holy cow. Yeah, he would destroy white shoes too quick. He would like the technology behind this, though. But yeah, I think he would destroy that white way too quick. All right, I'm stupid. That's a size 10 men's. I'm so dumb. Talked about trying on shoes when you're at the outlet, especially with the refurbished stuff. These fit true to size. This is size 10 and I can fit that perfectly. So yeah, I would need to get him a size 9. Dang it. Infinity Run Rare 3s go for $80. You get that 30 off. Size 10 men, size 11.5. Look at this. Jordan 1 mid. Blue, mostly blue. Got some white, got some red on it. Going for $125. Air Max 97s right here, going for $88. What are these? What are these? Are these some golf? Some golf shoes. It does have the Flyies on it. Some of the Jordans and Kobe's had that. I think they call it Flyies, right? I don't know. But yeah, I've never seen these. It does have React on it and stuff. What's the price? What's the price? The React Ace Tours. Go for $70. All right, nothing in a 10, 10.5. That's what I need for my kiddo. Dude, got some all gold 97s. There's some OGs right here. $170 for those. Still kind of high. That's a size 9. Jordan 1 Elevate Highs. $73. That's a size 8. Air Force One Lovers. What the hell is that? Oh, hell no. Those are ugly. $65 for those. Dunk Lows right here with that interesting material. $120 for those. That's a size 7 women's. Flyknit racers going for 80 bucks. That's a size 7. Got some Jordans right here. These are the 6, oh, the 2 trays, my bad. I thought these were 6, 17, 23s. Nah, the 2 trays right here. What's the price on these bad boys? $1.55. That's about it with the women's clearance. Checking out the grade school section real quick. They got Jordan 2s going for regular price though. I think Sheik's had those for cheaper. But zeros. Oh, is that toddler? Toddler? I don't know. But yeah, 13C going for 50 bucks. That's preschool now to think about it. Joyrides. What the hell happened to these? Oh my goodness. Remember Nike pushing these and that just didn't work out. Size 6.5 wide. Going for 50 bucks. Tempo Next Percent Flyknits. Going for 100 bucks. Jordan 37. Grade school. These are 5.5 right here. These normally go for $1.40 down to $1.15. Then you get that extra 30% off. Then the last interesting thing here, do got some Nike Dunk High Lakers colorway. Is that LSU? I don't know. Buck. That's 105. Going for 30 off. Do got the platforms right there. Another one of these Air Force platforms. Last one right here in the all white. Laser mids. I'm going for regular price. Just way too high. Holy cow. Do got the Dunk Highs. We're gonna see a flood of these at the outlets. Got some Pegasus. That'll go for $75. Infinity Run Flyknit 3s. Another one right there. And then we got this one right here. Jordan 12 Hyper Royals. Up to size 10. Remember, this is in the women's section. We have these Jordan 5s in this up to size 10. We got some comforts right here. Go for way too much. The material on this is nice, like a satin material. Okay. Let's see what's up with the apparel, and then I'll check out. I still need to make a decision on whether I want to grab these ones or not. 50 bucks for these bad boys. These are a small. $50 for these. These are a medium right here. Medium chargers. Dry fit hoodie. Still got these bad boys right here. All the tech fleece right here. Go for $67 still. You get that extra 30 off. Got hoodies here. They're priced okay, but not crazy. Got Jordan with the Wheaties right there. Doesn't have a tag on it. Someone lost the tag. But yeah, got a few things here and there. Like, I don't know how many dudes are trying to wear this. I don't know. $35 for that. Nike Flight sweats right here going for $65. These regular sweats going for $60. You know, it all depends on the size though. Do got these right here. These are small, going for $60. Oh, these are the flight ones too. Okay. So I did text a few people to see if anybody wanted this. And yeah, everybody said no. Everybody said no. I'm trying to figure out if I should get one for the nephews. But like I said, I'm kind of done buying stuff for everybody. I've just bought so much stuff. Spent way too much money. I was wondering if I should get this for trade bait. That's what I was wondering. But there are a couple scuffs right here. And I don't want people to say, hey, you know, you probably can't fix that by using a brush and stuff like that. But yeah, I don't want to put that much work into it. I'm going to put them back. Like I said, I called a few people and they said they don't need them. And then I already know people are going to be like, oh, why don't you get them for your viewers, blah, blah. I don't have time, dude. I don't have time. Barely have time to make these videos, fools. And then other people are like, you should do your membership. No, that's still, don't have time for that. Throwing them back here, size 9. All right, that was pretty fire. All right, let's go. I think I might hit up Ross next door. Let's hit up the Ross next door. I don't know how long this video was. I want to make sure, get you guys plenty of footage. Let's go. Next door at the Ross. See if we can find something. See if we get lucky. Another Ramsey jersey for $40. This is so fire. If I was a Rams fan, I think I would just grab this because these are so high in quality. $40. This is not the stitched in one. Not the stitched in one, but I would just grab it. $130. We saw the stitched in one. Those were normally $165. Got some pretty bootleg looking Fanatics. Do you call them jerseys? Call them shirts? I don't know. Going for $10. Nike Hawaii shirt. Going for $85. Down to $20. More of these Burns jerseys, or Horn jerseys, my bad. And this Under Armour pullover, super premium material, $30 for those. Is that a Hoka hoodie? Never seen a Hoka hoodie. I swear to God, I've never seen a Hoka hoodie. What is this going for? It's going for $40. This is a small. It feels a medium. I might grab it for my kid. It's an XL/small. XL/small. Yeah, right there. You can see it right there. It says XL/small. Yeah, I would grab. It's pretty decent size. Pretty decent size. Going for $40. I wonder if I should grab this for my kid. I don't think it's gonna fit him. Yeah, that's not gonna fit him. It's a small. We'll put. Dang it. That's pretty fire though, Hoka. He has some Hoka shoes. So more of these Under Armour pullovers in a small with that premium material. Did forget to show what I'm wearing with the weird zoomed in mirror. This mirror looks freaking weird. I'm sorry, but yeah, I do got some Jordan 13s on. Had to wear some neutral colors. I was wearing white with red earlier, and I need to take the red off because I'm in Watts. Need to have some hood etiquette. Like, you need to know what the hell the etiquette is when you drive around the hood and stuff like that. But yeah, wearing some black tank tops and cargo pants. Checking out sneakers. Dude got some Tims here. Dude got Tims going for $70. Seeing these Champion slippers. These are size 7. If these were a bigger size, I probably would have grabbed one. $8 for those right here. These are freaking dope. Do these keep your feet hella warm? Damn, I need to grab some for my kiddo. Phantom React Flyknits right here, size 8.5. $50 for these bad boys. I need a size 9. Yeah, size 9. We got some Chucks right here, or not a Chuck, going for $30. What are these? Some Chuck All-Stars. These remind me of like the Iron Man suit that the Hulk wore. It's like way bigger than it should be. Just looks kind of weird. $40 for those. Hoka Clifton 8s going for $80. Different colorway, same price. Different cleanliness or lack thereof. Got some slides. It's a 9 women's though, going for $22. Yeah, speaking of steroids, what the hell are these? Got some All-Stars on as much steroids as you can take. $40 for these. I don't even know what size they are. I can't even tell what size they are because they look so huge, but I have a feeling they're not even that big. Yeah, 8.5, size 8.5 men's. This is one of the rosters where I did find a Vince Carter jersey, the OG colorway. So I am looking pretty thoroughly, but not really finding too much today. Got some Vans right here. I'm gonna have to go back to Shoe Palace to get one for one of the kids again. God dang, these kids are costing me money. But yeah, but I can't give up the $20 shoes. They're such good deals. These are size 7. I don't know the price though. There's no price. Some interesting Chucks going for $37. All right, part of driving into the hood, just know where you're going. I don't know what colors fools wear around here. So yeah, I'm taking red off because I just don't know. All right, that's pretty much about it. I scoured the hell out of this spot and really didn't find much. Make sure you guys check out the membership program. You can't do it on your phone, or you can, but you can't do it on the app. You'd have to go to the browser and do it on desktop mode or something. But yeah, check out the membership. I do spend a ton of money on gas stuff, so I'm hoping you guys want to support your boy by doing a membership. And there'll be other stuff. There'll be other videos and stuff like that. But yeah, make sure you help your boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Press that subscribe button. And we're out, you guys. We're out.